Jai Srimanarayana. 76th sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Rajan samsmrutya samvadam imam adbhutam kesava arjunayoho punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhuhu. Om. Place yourself in the shoes of Arjuna and keep on reading Bhagavad Gita again and again until you start feeling Sri Krishna Paramatma's presence in each and every entity, and until you start feeling ecstatic emotions towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep myself in the shoes of Arjuna, and I shall keep on reading Bhagavad Gita until I start experiencing your divine presence in each and every entity, and until I start feeling ecstatic emotions towards you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanयुतं pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Srimanarayana is born to Aditi as Vamana. After that, Svargadhi Devata gave Chhatram to Vamana. Then కమండలుం వేదగర్భః కుశాన్ సప్తఋషయः దదుః. వేదగర్భ Brahmadeva gave kamandalam to Vamana. Saptarshis gave darbhas to Vamana. Akshamala Maharaja Saraswati Avyaya Atmanaha. Saraswati Devi gave Akshamala to Vamana. Then Bhiksha Patrika Nichan Yakshe Sudu Vamanunaku. Kubera gave Bhiksha Patra to Vamana. After that, Bhiksham Bhagavati Sakshat Uma Adat Ambika Sati. Vamanunaku Akshayamanuchun Sakshat Karinchi Pettenu Bhikshunaku Bhavani Purna Bhiksha Narendra. Jagannmata Bhagavati Devi Bhavani Parvati Devi. She gave the first Bhiksha to Vamana. Like that, Bhagavan Vamana is glowing with so much of Brahma Tejas. And when he entered into the assembly of all the Brahmarshis, he entire with his of effulgence, he made that entire Pranganam assembly glow with so much of divine light. After that, Vamana did Homam and did Agni Aradhana. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter 76th sloka. Rajan samsmrutya samvadamimamadbhutam kesavarjunayoh punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhuhu. Rajan samsmrutya samvadamimamadbhutam kesavarjunayoh punyam hrishyami cha muhurmuhuhu. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.